Imagine a kitchen where everything is healthier, easier, and more fun. Now I'm gonna be showing you my kitchen.
We're gonna talk about Amazon kitchen gadgets that are sure to change your life.
Hey guys, I love and use all these, and check it out after this video. I'll have it linked below. So we're talking about tools that will elevate your cooking, makes a great gift, and maybe, just maybe, prevents you from another culinary disaster.
So first up, electric salt and pepper grinder. It comes with rechargeable batteries and also a charging dock, so you don't have to constantly replace batteries.
Seasoning is everything in the kitchen, and I'm not talking about the pre-ground tasteless dust you call pepper. I'm talking about perfect grounded pepper bursting with aroma, effortless. When I cook, I like to multitask. Just fill them with your favorite peppercorn and salt crystal, press the button, and let the grinder do the work. Ditch the pre-ground rubbish
And get yourself electric salt and pepper grinder.
Chopping garlic is one of the most tedious things in the kitchen. It's messy, it's time consuming, it makes your hands stink for hours, but it doesn't have to be that. Use garlic press rocker. Peel your garlic cloves and give it a good rock.
Perfectly minced every time.
It's because it's high quality stainless steel, it doesn't break. So no more flimsy garlic presses. Now for something a little bit different, ever try to open a coconut? It's a bloody nightmare. And this tool over here is gonna make you look like a coconut cracking ninja. So this handy set comes with everything that you need to open a coconut with all shapes and sizes. So no more risking your life with the machete. You'll be amazed how easy it is. Just follow these simple instructions. You can use the included tool to scoop out the fish smoothie, curries, and whatever your heart desires. Next up, we have the Ninja Creamy, the real ninja here.
This machine lets you churn out restaurant quality ice cream, sorbet, even frozen yogurt.
So it's perfect for someone who has dietary restrictions, wants a healthy frozen dessert, loves sweets, wants to give their kids a frozen treat. And the best part, it's so simple to use. It comes with a recipe book. Just chuck your ingredients in, freeze for at least 3 hours, and press few buttons, and bam!
No, actually it doesn't scoop for you, so you actually have to scoop it yourself. But you have to check your consistency, and sometimes you need to remix it, respin it. Sometimes it takes more than 3 hours to freeze. The texture and the consistency was perfect.
I'll demonstrate few healthy and simple recipes in my upcoming videos. I like to use natural sweeteners like monk fruit, dates. So ditch the store-bought rubbish and treat yourself a Ninja Creamy. If you still drinking tap or bottled water, you gotta stop. Time to upgrade your hydration game. So this countertop machine filters out all the nasty stuff you don't want from your water. It's incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is fill it with water, put it on the back. Just choose how full do you want this to be and press the button, and then it just filters for you.
It's optional, but you can also add the minerals back with an additional filter. It goes on top of the pitcher. You'll be amazed by the difference in taste. No more chlorine aftertaste, no more weird smells, just pure refreshing water.
Most filters, like in a fridge or pitchers, unfortunately do not get rid of all bacteria in the water. So in water bottles have a lot of microplastics that can cause weight gains, fertility issues, organ damage, and it's linked to cause cancer and birth defect. From what I researched, not all reverse osmosis are equal, so comparing to other machines, this one is the best based on the customer ratings, quality, and price. Doing its magic right now. Okay, let's move. Now, let's talk about salads. This large salad spinner is perfect for someone who likes to save time on drying their salads. It also comes with a bonus chopper. Makes it very versatile for all your veggie prepping needs. I'm gonna demonstrate it. It's just so fast. You just put it back on here. So you use the same thing over here, and then just press like that, and then when you do the pressing motor, it chops all your vegetables in here. And it also spins the salad. It spins really well. Show it to you. That's it. And it saves you a ton of time in the kitchen. It's incredibly easy to clean. You just put it in a dishwasher. Now let's talk soup. I'm talking about thick, creamy, restaurant quality soup. And the secret to achieving culinary perfection is the immersion blender. This handheld blender lets you blend soup, sauces, smoothies, and more directly in a pot with minimal cleanup. So
no more transferring hot liquid between containers, no more messy spills. Just stick to it, blend it in, and press the button.
So it comes with a food processor and a measuring cup as well. You'll be amazed how convenient it is. This is the food processor. It's also, you can use the same attachment and then it processes your food. Next up is for pasta lovers. Forget the store-bought, mass-produced rubbish. This is a classic pasta maker. This Italian-made pasta maker lets you make fresh, homemade pasta, spaghetti, lasagna sheets, and more, all with the perfect texture and consistency.
Because you're in control of your ingredients, you can experiment with different flavors and colors. Our favorite thing to make is the lasagna and fettuccine with this.
You made your own fresh pasta, but now what? You can't just leave it drying around, can you? You need a proper drying rack. So this, oh, it looks so nice. You can hang over 4 pounds of pasta on this.
It prevents clumping and dries evenly.
And when it's done, you just fold it back for easy storage. So get yourself a pasta dryer. Now let's talk about the king of kitchen gadget, the air fryer. But we're not talking about any air fryer, we're talking about the Kusori. Okay, so this isn't just an air fryer, it can fry, bake, roast, grill, you name it, it does it all. And does it with less oil, which is healthy meals but still tastes great. So you can literally connect it to your phone and select the recipe from the app and it will give you instructions and quick, easy recipes. So it makes the best chicken wings in 18 minutes and 5 minutes for salmon. So
ditch the deep fryer and get yourself an air fryer. Or give it some tech-savvy cooks out there.
last but not least,
Our very smart pressure cooker.
it connects to your phone, giving you step-by-step instructions. You can choose from hundreds of pre-programmed recipes, monitor your food remotely, and adjust the cooking temperature all from your phone. So it's our go-to cooker for basmati rice. Additionally, it reduces the levels of harmful things like lectins that could be present in certain food like eggplants, beans, etc. So that can cause irritation to your gut wall.
As you can see here, it comes with video, written instruction, buttons step by step, when and how to do it. It's super easy. You cannot mess it up. And no, that's not a challenge. But it's super easy and fast.
Check the description below for all the links and products mentioned today in this video. If you love cooking and looking for inspiration, check out my quick and easy recipe here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing gadget reviews. See you next time!